In Allah's name, the bounteous, the loftiest, may the drizzling and mizzling of countless blessings and bounties be upon our noblest and eternally blessed Chief Hazrat Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. I'm Professor Azam Hussain. Heartiest welcome is being accorded to all our esteemed and dignified audience. Today we are going to learn about use of has to and have to. In Urdu, I would like to explain अगर किसी जुमले के आखिर में ये अल्फाज हों ना है, नी है, ने है और नी है। मुझे एक मैच खेलना है, मुझे एक खत लिखना है, मुझे एक नज्म लिखनी है, मुझे दो खत लिखने हैं, मुझे दो कहानियाँ लिखनी हैं। Ending words will tell you how to translate any sentence. Method of translation is first we shall have to add subject, then has to or have to according to the subject, whether it is singular or plural. And first form of the verb, then object will be added. First sentence is मुझे स्कूल जाना है, I have to go to school. हमें एक नज्म लिखनी है, we have to write a poem. ने हैं, उसे दो खत लिखने हैं, it's about a girl, she has to write two letters. उसे दो कहानियाँ लिखनी हैं, it's about boy, he has to write two stories. Similarly, अगर किसी जुमले के आखिर में इस तरह के अल्फाज भी हों तो उन्हें भी सेम मेथड ऑफ ट्रांसलेशन से हम इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। पढ़ता है, पढ़ती है, पढ़ते हैं और पढ़ती हैं। तो मुझे एक खत लिखना पड़ता है, मुझे एक लेटर लिखना पड़ता है, मुझे एक ऐसे लिखना पड़ता है, मुझे एक पैराग्राफ लिखना पड़ता है, मुझे स्कूल जाना पड़ता है, मुझे ये काम करना पड़ता है। तो पढ़ती है, पढ़ते हैं और पढ़ती हैं। मुझे दो नज़में लिखनी पड़ती हैं, मुझे दो एसेज लिखने पड़ते हैं। एंडिंग वर्ड्स यही होंगे और मेथड ऑफ ट्रांसलेशन विल बी द सेम. Same method of translation will be applied here. First we shall write subject and then has to or have to according to the subject, and then first form will be added, first form of the verb will be added and object will be added. पढ़ती हैं, उसे दो नज़में लिखनी पड़ती हैं, she has to write two poems. एंड पढ़ती है, हमें एक नज़्म लिखनी पड़ती है, वी हैव टू राइट वन पोइम. राइट, पढ़ते हैं, मुझे दो ख़त लिखने पड़ते हैं, मुझे दो एसेज लिखने पड़ते हैं. whatsoever the object may be or the subject may be, but we have to translate according to the method earlier we have discussed. मुझे दो ख़त लिखने पड़ते हैं, I have to write two letters. एंड पढ़ता है, मुझे एक खत लिखना पड़ता है, I have to write a letter. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for being with us. It's great honor being together, and hopefully you have or you would have learnt a lot. How can we make sentence after sentences or many sentences by using this technique? Has to, have to. This is the second lecture, and in third lecture and fourth lecture we shall learn about past. Third lecture will be consisted of had to, and we shall make sentences by using had to in past tense in the third lecture, and in my fourth lecture we shall learn about will have to and shall have to. Will have to and shall have to will be discussed in my fourth lecture. Keep listening again and again, keep watching it, and I would like to request you, please subscribe my YouTube channel, like it, and share it with others so others might be able to learn English or to improve their English. And bit by bit, you will be able to learn more and more things. Thanks a lot. May Allah Almighty bless you. May Allah Almighty bless you. Everlasting, long lasting pleasures of life. May you succeed. May your shadow will never be less. Please do subscribe my channel, and inshallah you will be learning highly valuable things. Thanks a lot.